Dronkey. Okay. This, ooh, adjusting this. This is my pal Dronkey. He is pretty palular, palorific, I don't know. So, the other day, in school, because I still have to go late even though I'm far and ready to leave, but they make me go to it. That's cool. Okay, well anyway, I had this video that I recorded. I have recorded this. This is my second time. I will delete it now. That dinged. You hear the dinging. Turn the volume up so you might hear the dinging. See? Dings when I click. It will not delete. Okay, I'm done being. Oh, trash can button. Trash can it. Yes. Okay. Video deleted. So, I have my pal Dronkey here. Doesn't do much talking. Does a little bit. I just got a text message. Oh, I got 2 text messages. I didn't even call. Hello? Hello? Hi? What is your question? You click on the watch button? I don't know. No. No. Maybe later. Goodbye. Yes! No! I don't need to hear your sass, woman. Okay, so that was my sister calling. She is a silly person. This is my... She wanted to know how to watch things on demand. I don't know how to watch them. I never watch. Why does it only show like half my face in this video? I will make that not happen. If I like move over here, does it... No. Well, anyway. She's calling me and yelling at me, and I could hear her voice because she's down this. You see, if you, it's like that. Actually, it is that way, and then that way, and then downstairs. Because I'm recording this from my room, where I tend to record my videos, which is really only one, since this is my second video, and it has 9 views, and no comments or likes or anything. Kind of creepy. But then again, I guess you don't get many comments for. Why do I mess with Velcro? It's there, and I mess with it. There's another thing I like to mess with. Rulers. Specifically dinosaur rulers. I was not... This is... Dinosaur rulers are cool. I got this, and in my special ed class, and we had a ruler fight, which was rather epic. And like you're fighting with me. Okay, that was dumb. We had a ruler fight, and we fought, and I won. I skewered them all with my blade of Maggie, because it says Maggie on it. Maggie is the name of the designer. Colored by Maggie Bowersocks. If you are Maggie Bowersocks and you watch this, congratulations, because I slayed many with your weapon. And actually, Maggie Bowersocks is my cousin. She didn't go to, she lives in like Sagertown. That's like half an hour away. Yet, this was at my school. And to name on it. Maggie Bowersocks. I killed many with her blade. Ooh, that was a bad sound. I struck my phone. Dronkey will. You will get to meet Dronkey's friend. My enemy. Ow. Ow, don't bite. Ow. Ow. Okay. Yeah. Was insane, right, Dronkey? Now, since Dronkey is very... Well, this is the cow. The cow is a demon. It moves in the night. Not moves, but moves. Well, there goes Dronkey. Here's Cow. Now, the story behind the cow is actually a long, funny story, and I will tell you about it maybe another time when you are older. By older, I mean tomorrow. I might submit, maybe even today in a couple minutes, because this video is 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes, and I must end it. I am amazing and wonderful, and you enjoy my videos because you watch them. Goodbye now. Mysterious beep. That's Morse code for goodbye. That is Morse code for goodbye, technically. Goodbye, and mysterious beep. May explore later, together as friends. Leave your phone number in the comments if you wish, so I may text you and we may become commence friending. Friend me on Facebook even if you need to. Maybe. Probably not, no. Don't friend me on Facebook. Goodbye.